Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 4th of June, 2024. The Dale Street witnessed a bloodbath on vote counting day on June 4th, as market participants remained concerned after the BJP-led NDA received a clear mandate but not returning with a much stronger majority as expected in exit polls. At close, the Sensex was down 4,389.73 points or 5.74% at 72,079.05, and the Nifty was down 1,379.40 points or 5.93% at 21,884.50. Biggest losers on the Nifty included ADANI Ports, ADANI Enterprises, ONGC, NTPC and SBI, while gainers were HUL, Nestle, Britannia Industries, Hero Motocorp and Tata Consumer Products. Talking about the corporate segment, we have ADANI Group stocks nosedived up to 25% on June 4th, getting brutally hammered after experiencing substantial gains in the last couple of trading sessions. Of the 45 rupees lakh crore eroded from the market capitalization of all listed companies on BSE, more than 3 rupees lakh crore was wiped from ADANI Group firms. The sudden drop appears to be driven by the unwinding of speculative positions, as investors take profits or reduce their exposure. In the previous session, the conglomerate stocks gained, adding 1 point for rupees lakh crore to the value, taking the total market value of the conglomerate's listed entities to nearly 20 rupees lakh crore. In morning deals, ADANI Total Gas was the top loser, falling nearly 18%. ADANI Energy Solutions slumped 12%, ADANI Power fell over 10%, ADANI Green Energy was down 7%, ADANI Enterprises also fell 7%. Shares of GAIL, India, Limited fell 16% to 192 rupees in Tuesday's session even as the equity benchmark Sensex traded 3,653.41 points lower at 72,815.37. Earlier in the day, the stock witnessed a gap-up start to the session. The stock quoted a 52-week high price of 233 rupees and a 52-week low of 103.2 rupees on NSE. Shares of Bank of Baroda traded 16% down at 249 rupees on Tuesday, even as BSE benchmark Sensex dropped 3,306.82 points to 73,161.96. The stock had closed at 296.65 rupees in the previous session. The stock quoted a 52-week high price of 298.45 rupees and 52-week low of 182.65 rupees, respectively. As per BSE data, total traded volume on the counter till 1:59 p.m. IST stood at 373 for 801 shares with a turnover of 97.65 rupees crore. At the current price, the stock traded at 7.86 times its trailing 12-month EPS of 36.47 rupees per share and 1.13 times its price-to-book value, exchange data showed. Shares of the Bharat Electronics Limited traded at 255.55 rupees on BSE on Tuesday, down 19.5%. The stock quoted a 52-week low price of 113.4 rupees and a high of 323 rupees. Earlier in the day, the stock saw a opening. At the prevailing price, the stock traded at 56.39 times its trailing 12-month EPS of 5.45 rupees per share and 9.02 times its book value, as per BSE data. A total of 22,763,846 shares changed hands on the counter till 1:54 p.m. IST. The stock commands a market value of 224,702.6 rupees crore and is part of the defense contractor industry. The scrip has been an outperformer, up 141.55% in the past 1 year in comparison with a 16.89% gain in Sensex. Heritage Foods Limited in daily time frame is trading around 455.55 points with a change of 6.76% and is trading with a net volume of around 13.015 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 401.08, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 84.60. Dabur India Limited in daily time frame is trading around 578.20 points with a change of 6.13% and is trading with a net volume of around 17.459 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average, 556.87, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 66.32. Hindustan Unilever Limited in daily time frame is trading around 2,496.30 points with a change of 5.96% and is trading with a net volume of around 7.826 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average, 2,383.80, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 69.67. For the stock recommendation we have, United Spirits Limited looks good and can be bought at 1,205 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 1,170 rupees and a target of 1,250 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.